Welcome back to our Quick Start series. This video is all about how to read your results using Modat Magnify. You've just completed a query on Modat Magnify. Now let's review how to best understand what you found. Click to select how many results you'd like to view on each page in the platform. You'll get a results page with a list of internet-connected devices and services that match your criteria. Let's take a closer look. Overall, you can see the initial overview results page. This gives information for each of the found results. We can cover different search parameters, such as the IP address of the device, certificates including the supported SSL version and the fingerprint hash, the ports that are open on the device, like port 80 for HTTP or port 443 for HTTPS, the location highlighting the country and city, technology representing the software that the device is using, the OS of the device such as a Windows server, Linux, and in this result, FreeBSD. Product, which can include hardware, software, and C2, and the ASN number of the organization that it belongs to. Last scan gives you the date and time of the most recent scanning of the device. This overall view is a great place to start, but it's time now to dig a bit deeper into a specific result. In order to do this, it's easy. Simply select the result and click it open by clicking on the IP. Once the selected result opens, you'll gain access to a more detailed set of information. Let's explore these insights that you don't initially see from the overview of the results. For the selected IP, you can scroll further down. The initial information you see corresponds to the port that was shown in the results overview page, in this case, port 443. However, once you have a single result open, more data is available. This includes other ports, historical data, banner data, and you can even filter to narrow the results. All of this makes up what we refer to as the device DNA. Each of these is worth exploring further and gives context to the bigger picture. A full list of all open ports is now available, and clicking on any of them will change the view to a detailed view. Open ports give you important information about which services are running on the device, helping you to know possible vulnerabilities this device might have. We also know the value of historical context, and this is a big time saver. Historical contextual data is a unique feature of Modat Magnify designed to give you just this broader scope of the result. Simple to use, you can access it by clicking the drop-down for the selected time range. This will give you multiple time frames to see previous scans. Also important to note, if a device was recently detected, you'll only see a single version. Header, banner data. This tells specific details about the services running on the selected device and helps you to determine how up-to-date it is. You can see the headers, HTML code, and the SSL certificate information. The header allows you to search using the banner option. Under HTML, you'll see information that you can use with the web options, like searching using the HTML title or body. In this area, this is also specific detailed information. Having the full scope is helpful, but being able to narrow or focus a search can also be very needed. To do this, use Modat Magnify's filters. You can filter by location, ports, technologies, and more, depending on the exact data that you need. When you're all wrapped up, simply click the logo in the top left-hand corner, and you can begin working on your next query. You're ready to review your results. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to a member of the Modat team. Visit modat.io to get started using Modat Magnify, and don't forget to click subscribe below. Visit us for more quick start videos, fast, smart, and easy.